Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install XAMPP server on our local system in Windows. And after that, I will show how to use XAMPP server to run our first PHP project. So first of all, we should be aware of what is XAMPP. Actually, in order to run a PHP on our local system, we require a server. Since PHP is a server-side scripting language, and XAMPP is an application which is used to create a local server on which we can run our PHP code. And installing XAMPP on the Windows is a very simple. We just let us start XAMPP installation. The first step is to download the XAMPP from the website. Let us open the web browser. And in the browser, just type download XAMPP. There are multiple websites. We will go on the first. When you come to this website, there are multiple XAMPP with different versions of the PHP. In the first, they are using 8.0, and in the second XAMPP they are using PHP 8.1.25 and PHP 8.2.12. So we will go with the latest PHP version, that is 8.2.12, and download that. When you click on download, it will say your download will start automatically, and if it doesn't start, click here. And if we go to the downloads in the Chrome, you can see that it has started the downloading. It will take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed, but I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel. Once you have successfully downloaded this file, then you can go to show in the folder. Now we have downloaded the XAMPP, but we have to install it on our system in order to use it. Now double click on this XAMPP installer, and once we provide the permissions, installation wizard will appear, and we will keep everything mainly by default and simply click on the next here. Here it is showing the list of the components that will be installed along with XAMPP. There will be a MySQL, phpMyAdmin. So we will be using all these stuff when we are learning PHP. So we will keep all of them as it is and click on next. So here it is asking for the location where to create a folder for XAMPP, and I will keep it by default and simply click on next. Like it is giving some error because there is already I have already installed the XAMPP once, so I have to empty that folder first. If you have already installed it in the same location, then you have to delete it, empty the location, and then come back to the wizard. Again click next. If you haven't previously installed it, then it will not create any problem. Simple language, click on next, click on next again. Now it is installing XAMPP and unpacking files. It may take few minutes. You can utilize that time to have some tea or water. I am pausing the video for a while until it is installed, and I will be back after it is installed. Welcome back guys. It has taken almost 10 to 15 minutes to complete the unpacking, and let us continue. Now just you have to, do you want to start the control panel now? You just have to click on the finish, and XAMPP has been successfully installed on our local machine. You can start the Apache. and start the MySQL as well. Let us now proceed to make our first project in PHP and run that project. Mainly it will be just a simple print statement to check whether the XAMPP is properly installed or not. So we will be printing in just a simple statement. So in order to run the program using XAMPP, what we have to do is you have to go to the location where you have installed XAMPP. I have installed inside C drive. There is a folder XAMPP. So inside XAMPP there is a folder htdocs. So whatever the code, whatever the files you want to execute, you have to put all these files in the htdocs folder. For the better management, let us first create a folder. Learn PHP. You can give name of your choice. Now we will create our PHP file inside this folder. Let us open this with VS Code. And inside this learn PHP folder, which we have created inside htdocs, we will create a PHP file. Since this is first PHP program we are writing in this series, so I will name the file as first.php. And we will write a PHP script here to print just hello world. Since it is a programming tradition to write first program to print hello world, so we will continue with it. Here we will just echo is a print statement in PHP like printf in C++ and C. And in order to run this PHP file using XAMPP, make sure your XAMPP Apache server is running, and then go to the browser. I have already run the file, but I will show it again. What we have to do is we have to type http:// then localhost. This will point to the htdocs folder. After that we have created a learn php folder, then provide the name of folder, and inside that folder there is first.php file. So we will hit the URL and it will simply print hello world. And so our PHP program is running using XAMPP. So this is what from the video. If you find the video useful, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.